How to enable aim assist on Knives Out. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are on the hunt for smoother aim and better shots in Knives Out, then you can easily enable the aim assist feature that can make a big difference, especially for beginners. First of all, launch open the Knives Out game on your device and wait for the lobby screen to load. Once you're inside this lobby page, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner and this will open up settings. Under settings, go to aim settings right under battle on the left hand corner and scroll down. You'll see the aim assist button. Tap on enable. Now you can adjust the aim assist function further, whether you'd like to choose classic assist or firing assist. You can also enable or disable the sniper rifle aim assist from the menu at the bottom. And finally, after you are done, you can head back to the game lobby and then jump into a match or a training mode. Try aiming at enemies and feel how the assist gently helps lock onto targets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.